Hey beautiful natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shana, and before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. So first thing first, guys, I am going to start off by using this hair food into his hair. I'm just gonna rub it in, massaging it in. All right, so for my first section, I am going to be doing a center part. So I'm just getting that section out of the way. So I'm gonna start off by doing a cornrow all the way down to the back, right? So guys, I am so excited about this video, and I know that it is way long overdue, right? So a lot of males have been watching my videos and have been supporting, right? Yeah, I have a particular video where I did a male box braid tutorial video, right? And the view is like crazy. And that's what the center part looks like. So now I'm gonna be doing another cornrow. As you all can see, I'm just sectioning off the hair for the other cornrow. So I'm just giving you guys a close-up look. That's what the cornrow looks like. All right, so you guys can get a drift or a better understanding of what I am saying. So I'm gonna be doing the same cornrow like I did on the other side. So in the back section, I am going to be doing another cornrow. That part that I've made, basically I'm going to be doing some crisscross cornrows, right? So the first cornrow that I did, I am going to be braiding it into the section that I just parted a while ago. And as you go along, you will see what I am saying, if what I'm saying doesn't make sense. All right, you have a better understanding when you watch, you see what I do. And the same thing that I did on that side, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side. So as I said before, it's a crisscross cornrow or braiding I'm doing. I'm just gonna give you all a close-up look on how the middle of his hair looks, right? And then afterwards, I'm gonna be braiding that side all the way down towards the back. So I'm just braiding all the way over towards the back until the entire hair is completed. I'm gonna be doing the same thing that I did on that side over onto the other side as well. At the end of the braiding, I catch all of the braiding into one, right? And then afterwards, I wrap it around into a little bun. There you have it. That's the end of the hairstyle. Beautiful. A person too may have concern why he didn't fade the side, get a freshly fade cut. He is planning on growing back out his side. And that's the reason for it. Guys, before I go, I just want to give some shout out to a couple of persons. This person goes by the name of God is the Way. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. La Malcolm All Magnify, right? Big up yourself. Thanks for supporting. Also want to say shout out to It's A Ryan. So guys, that's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Don't be afraid to blow the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell